So Pythagoras theorem you have proved before this also, okay? But today that we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem, in this we are going to use similarity of triangle. With the help of similarity of triangle, we are going to prove Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Hello, Ridhima. Okay. So, before we start with the Pythagoras theorem and the converse of Pythagoras theorem, we are going to use the similarity. The initial part we are going to prove, and then as a theorem, and then we are going to use it in our Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So, first theorem that you see on my screen is if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex. Okay. If you're going to draw a perpendicular, now if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle triangle, so I am drawing here a right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, a right angle at here B. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, so if if a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right angle triangle of a right to the hypotenuse, then both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Means if I'm going to draw perpendicular, okay, from here, okay, then the two triangles, triangles that we are getting after drawing this perpendicular, both are similar to each other and both are similar to the bigger triangle ABC. Okay, so what we need to prove that triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC first. Second, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. And third, obviously after proving both of them, means if they are both are similar to the same triangle, so they will be similar to each other. So triangle ADB will be similar to triangle BDC. Okay. Now how can we prove this? Now look here in the triangle, in both the triangle. Okay. So first one we are going to take. What does the first one say? Triangle ADB. Okay. This one is a D. Okay. ADB is similar to triangle, the bigger one, ABC. In both, A is common. Angle A is common. So angle A is equal to angle A. Okay, common angle. And then you are having angle is 90 degree because BD is perpendicular. So this will be 90 degree. So angle B here, the bigger one is B and this one D. Okay, so angle ADB is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. So two angles you have already got. So that means from AA similarity, both the triangles are similar. Okay, now same way your triangle BDC will also be similar to the bigger triangle. In BDC, you are having this angle as common and again angle B and angle D is 90 degree. Okay, now since both the triangles are similar to triangle ABC, therefore they both will be similar to each other. Got it? Okay, now we are going to use this small theorem in the proof of Pythagoras theorem. Now, what does the Pythagoras theorem say? I think we have been using Pythagoras. You have done the proof also, but right now the proof that we are going to study in this chapter triangle, we are going to use similarity of triangle to prove it. What happens, Shazan, if you are sleeping, then you can go and sleep.
No, I'm not sleeping.
Yes, your eyes were closed.
Mom, I was just.
You're not
My eyes were reaching out, that's why.
So Pythagoras theorem, I think we already know what is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, we apply in a right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. Okay, that means this is a triangle and here AC, the bigger hypotenuse, AC is, this is right angle. Okay, so here we have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, now we are going to use this similarity of triangles. So from the first theorem, theorem 1, we already know that these two triangles are similar. Okay, see here, point 1 and point 2. Okay, both the triangles are similar to the bigger triangle. Okay, now when two triangles are similar, what we know that all the three angles are same and their sides are in the ratio. Yes, am I right? So from here we got that sides are in the ratio. So from the first one, if you see that ADB, okay, smaller one and the bigger triangle. So AD by AB, okay, AD by AB. ये देखना ऑर्डर AD by AB फर्स्ट वाले में फ्रॉम फर्स्ट AD by AB is equal to AB. Okay, the second one is this AB. Okay, don't get confused. ठीक है, AB by AC. Okay, now you see the order of the triangle in here. Triangle ADB is similar to angle ABC. Okay, ADB. Why I am writing ADB? ADB because D is 90 degree and A is common here and B is 90 degree. So when you are taking the side also should fall in the same way. Okay. So AD by AB. Okay. Now AB by AC. Okay. This time this AB is a smaller triangle. AB by AC. Okay. Now we got this since they are corresponding sides of the similar triangle. Okay, now from here if you see AB is, so AB square is equal to AD into AC. Okay, now similarly from second what, सेकेंड क्या होगा आपका, ये फर्स्ट था, अब सेकेंड क्या है, ट्राइंगल द अनदर ट्राइंगल, द अनदर स्मॉल ट्राइंगल कंपेयर टू द, so BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, this one is the second one. Okay, so from second again we'll get the corresponding parts of the means the sides are and the ratio, that is DC upon BC is equal to BC upon AC. Do you have any confusion here? If you are confusing, so what you can do, make the triangle here. Okay, so that you don't confuse the bigger triangle, that is ABC, and then make the smaller triangle. Now here D is here and you will be having A here and then B here. Okay, then you will not get confused. Okay, like this, if you want, you can make this as in rough and then write this angle. Okay, sides means. Okay, now what you will get, BC square is equal to AC into DC. This you got, you can write here third and here fourth. Now adding third and fourth. So what you will get after adding third and fourth? AB square plus BC square is equal to what? AD into AC plus AC into DC. Okay, yes or no? Any doubt here? You can see AC is common, BC square, so it will be AC, you take it common, and AD plus DC. Okay, so AD plus DC you see here, AD plus DC will be AC. Okay, so it will AC. So you have got here AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
So when in such type of diagrams where the another triangle is tilted or in different direction, okay, try to make it in the same direction as the first one, okay, in your rough corner, okay, so that there is no confusion for you, okay, because sometime when we are in a little hurry, so we do little mistakes. Okay, now converse of Pythagoras theorem. Now what does the converse of Pythagoras theorem say? Converse is just opposite. Now this time you know that AB square according to the diagram, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Just a minute. Okay, so angle B, we have to prove that angle B is 90 degree. Okay, and it is a right angle triangle. So in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to construct another triangle. Okay, another triangle PQR, which is right angle at Q. We are already mentioning it that it is right angled at Q. Okay, and how we are making this triangle in a such a way that it is right angle at Q, and all the three sides are equal to all the three sides here. Okay, not all the three sides, you can take that this PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. Okay, so since these two are equal, okay, these two are already equal, you have constructed a triangle. This is one triangle. Okay, it is right angle at B na. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I come in 2 minutes?
okay, just 2 minutes, I'm drawing diagram till that.
Okay, ma'am.
A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay, now this is equal to this. We're drawing this is equal to this, and this is equal to 90 degree. Okay, in ABC, we need to prove that angle B is 90 degree. But the figure that we have, another triangle that we have constructed, we have already constructed a right angle triangle in such a way that PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. Okay, Now, in this, you can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So, in triangle PQR, we already know since this is 90 degree. So, PR square will be equal to PQ square plus QR square. Yes, but you can say here PQ is equal to AB. So we can write AB square and QR is equal to CB. Okay, so we can write here BC square. Okay, but we have but it is already given here in your theorem that AC square is equal to BC square plus BC square. Okay, so we can write here AB square, sorry, not AB, AC na. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so you can see that here AC is equal to AC square is equal to PR square from here. Okay, that means, which implies that if you are going to do root on both sides, so AC is equal to PR. Okay, so from you know already PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC, and we have proved that PR is equal to AC. Okay, so therefore triangle ABC is congruent to, not similar, is congruent to triangle PQR. So since the two triangles are congruent, that means what? Angle
Ma'am,
Q
why
will be equal to
60 degree?
angle B. Okay, angle B will be equal to angle Q, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, because angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So we have proved it. Okay, any doubt?
No doubts, ma'am.
Ridhima, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So let's start with the question. You already know Pythagoras theorem, and today it's the your complete course is finished. If you need any extra revision for any chapter that you need more revision, okay, you can tell me. Ridhima, is there any chapter missing that you want revision?
Ma'am, once again, I will think and tell. I have done everything in school and by myself also, but I'll think once.
Shazan, any chapter that you need extra attention? I think you were asking for this triangle, but triangle is already we are about to finish.
I don't have doubt in any other chapter.
Which one?
Ma'am, I don't have doubt in any other chapter. Ma'am, if I face any doubt, then I'll ask for a revision class.
Okay, so we'll start after this. We'll start with little test and little just brush up of all the topics, the main theorems and formulas and all. Okay,
Ma'am, which will be the first step?
I'll let you know.
Okay.
Maybe we can start with trigonometry because trigonometry is very important chapter. Okay, mensuration is important chapter. Statistic is important because from here you can get 5 marks questions. Okay, these chapters will get you 5 marks questions.
Okay.
Polynomial is also important. In
Polynomial test is
real
done,
number, you
right?
have 3-4 proofs. They are important. Okay, in an isosceles right angle triangle, if the hypotenuse is 5 root 2 centimeter, find the length of the sides of the triangle. Can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is x and this is x.
Ma'am, is it 5?
Yes, it's 5.
Ma'am, which chapter is mensuration? Ma'am.
Mensuration is your all these triangle, cone, circle, all the shapes.
Okay. It's not a
Okay.
chapter.
5 centimeters.
Yeah, mensuration is a chapter. Is there
So,
any
is
other
it
name?
a chapter or are you generalizing it?
I think in your this also mensuration is only written. Let me surface area and volume.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we call it mensuration.
Okay.
In the given figure, what is the figure? I'll draw it. Okay, I think it's A, C, D, E, and this one. In the given figure, if AD is perpendicular to BC, prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD square plus AC square. Can you try this? You are having two right angle triangles. In both the right angle triangles, apply the Pythagoras theorem and then try to get this. You need to think how you're going to get it. What happened, Shazan? You are not in the mood today.
No, ma'am, I'm just very tired.
So when is your pre-board starting?
Ma'am, 2nd December.
Because in December you'll be having one. They will take in December, and they will take in January, and then.
No, ma'am, the practicals have been completed, so no exam in January.
Just repeat again.
Ma'am, In January, practical exams take place, right?
In February, they will not take.
Ma'am, no, in January exam will not be there, ma'am. In February directly, ma'am. December and then February.
Okay, when we used to be going, when we were attending the classes, then they used to take in January, February exams, and in from March the exam used to start. Both of you are going to give board now. There's external or internal examination. There's so many changes now, no? Vidaba, your school will host the exam, or you are going to give a central exam?
School. I mean, we have to go to some other school to give exam.
Okay, then you are to opting for board, na?
Yeah.
Because after I left, there were so many changes. In between, they have removed the board, then they did the grading system, then now they have given a choice which one, yeah, if you want, you can apply for board. If you want home exam, you can take home exam. Like this, they have done so many different things.
Oh, but choices were not given to us.
And that means they have the school is open for one and everything. Well, giving board is important because you get prepared, because it's right now in 10th your syllabus is small, okay, and you get to know that how at a random paper how you have to respond, okay, so that in 11th 12th it becomes much more easier, for 12th in fact, okay, because if you directly face paper in 12th, because 12th syllabus is very vast, it is 11th 12th is you can say pre-recap of your college, okay, because there are a lot of course in your 11th 12th. It is not something like 10th, okay, 9 10th. Then
Ma'am, got the answer. Just ma'am, writing the last step.
one you will get, that is AB square
Proved, ma'am,
equal
proved.
to AD square plus BD square. One you'll get this.
Ma'am, there I got AC square is equal to AD square plus AD square. Ma'am, I subtracted both the equations.
Yeah, okay. Subtracting. Which equation you will subtract from which equation?
2 from 1.
Because you need what? Okay, 2 from 1. So AC square minus.
No,
Ma'am, what
no, that is
subtract?
AB square minus AC square.
Okay, 2 you are subtracting now. That is
AD will get cancelled.
AB square. Got it? Okay. Wait.
Ma'am,
Yes.
one revision, a brief revision I wanted for coordinate geometry.
What?
Just, ma'am, one revision I wanted for coordinate geometry, like all
Complete
the.
coordinate geometry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we can have a test on next Thursday of coordinate geometry, and after that we will see what topic need to be revised. Okay.
No, ma'am,
Before
not test,
that,
ma'am. I want the revision first, then test.
okay, then next Thursday we can have revision.
Okay.
Coordinate geometry. Okay, try doing this. See, both the question are asking you the same thing, but just little bit a way is different. Okay. In triangle PQR, PS is perpendicular to QR. Okay, I'll copy the diagram. Actually, diagram. Oh. You just try this and then read the question and just change it. In triangle PQR, PS is perpendicular to QR and PS square, this PS square is equal to QS multiplied by RS. Okay. Prove that triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Now you have to prove that PQR is a right angle triangle. Means one of the angle will be right angle. Okay, and another way of asking this, in a triangle PQR, N is a point on PR, okay, such that QN is perpendicular to PR. If PN into NR is equal to QN square, prove that PQR is equal to 90 degree. Okay, both the question is same, only instead of the S here in the second one, N is there. Okay, understood? So in both the ways, question can be asked. So now in both the triangles, if you see in triangle PSQ and triangle PSR, okay, you have PQ square is equal to PS square plus SQ square or QS square. Here what QS is written, so better go for QS. QS square. Okay, this one you can take it as first. And second, PR square is equal to, what is this in? RS now. So PS square plus RS square. This you can take it as second. Okay. Now we are going to add both the, okay. After adding both, what we'll get on adding equation first and second, what you will get, PQ square plus PR square is equal to PS square plus QS square plus PS square plus RS square. Okay, PQ square plus PR square. Okay, now PQ square plus, you can write PS square, QS square, RS square. What is given here? PS square is equal to QS into RS. PS square.
Ma'am, QS square plus RS square we can write as QR square.
Yes, this only I am telling ना, PS square. यहाँ पे PS square को आप लिख सकते हो QS into RS. Okay, so QS into RS whole square plus QS square plus RS square. Okay, now if you see it is PS square है. PS square की value, sorry यहाँ पे square नहीं आया. हाँ ये देखो, see it is A square, यहाँ पे A square plus B square plus 2AB का formula. Okay, so what you will get here, A square, A plus B whole square. So what you will get, QS
A
plus
B square.
RS whole square. So QS plus RS, what it will get, QR whole square. So you have got PQ square plus PR square is equal to QR square. Now since this is there, so that means triangle PQR is a right angle triangle at P. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the second one, it is telling you that it is asking you to prove that it is right angle at PQR, that is Q. Okay, so accordingly you have to do PR. And here PR से perpendicular जा रहा है. Just a minute. Hello, any doubt?
No, ma'am. Yes, Allah.
And because of this pattern, you can say that angle P is equal to 90 degree. Okay, triangle is right angle triangle and P is 90 degree. BL and CM are medians of triangle ABC. So first of all, we are going to draw the triangle ABC. Or let me copy. What is there? There are triangle A. There's a triangle ABC, and you are having two medians, BL and CM. Okay, right angle at A. So since it is already mentioned right angle at A, so I maintain right angle at A, and you are having BL median. Okay, one medium is from B and one medium is from, okay, so this one is L and this one is M. Okay, prove that 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square is equal to 5BC square. 5BC square. Okay, so how we are going to do this? See, median, what that do? Median divides it into two equal this. Since it is a median, so you are clear that this is equal to this. Okay, and you'll use different color. This will be equal to this because of the median. This is the quality of the median. Okay, so BLCM. So if you are writing for the triangle, or you can say that CL is equal to AL, and it is equal to half of AC. Okay, you can take this as first, and similarly for BA also, that is BM na. Yes, BM is equal to AM is equal to AB half. Okay, understood? Now this is given, and what else is given? That is triangle, or you can say in triangle BAC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so अगर Pythagoras theorem apply करते हैं, so BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Okay, so now you can apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle this also, the small triangle that is BLA. इस वाले triangle में भी apply कर सकते हो, ये वाले triangle में. ठीक है, so what it will be, that is BL, what it will be, BL square is equal to
AL square plus BA square.
AB square plus AL. square. Okay, and ये थर्ड ले लो, ये तो मैसअप हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और ए एल को रिस्पेक्ट में लिख लो फुल वाले उसमें. सो ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस ए एल को क्या लिख सकते हो, ए सी अपॉन 2 square, or you can say AC upon DL is equal AB square plus AC square upon 4. Okay, so 4 can come here. It will be 4 BL square is equal to 4 AB square plus AC square. Okay, take it as 4. Okay, now similarly do in the another triangle which is having 90 degree. Which is another triangle that is having 90 degree? This one.
Ma'am, I'm see.
Yes, this one. Okay, so if you're going to do it here, I'm just going to divide here the page. So cm square, cm square is equal to AC square plus AM square. So instead of AM, you can write here AB square upon 4. So 4 you will bring here. The 4 CM square is equal to A4 AC square plus AB square. Am I right? Or anything, any confusion? Okay, now this you can mark it as equation 5th. Okay, now from 4th and 5th, if you see from 4th and 5th, what you got? Okay, from 4th and 5th, if you see, so 4AB square plus AC square.
Ma'am, we will subtract the equation.
CM and A plus AC square. Okay, now let's add both the equation. Okay, adding both the equation, what you will get here, I'm writing here. Okay, if you're going to add, so 4 will be common, BL square plus CM square. Yes, is equal to you have both 4AB square here and 1AB square. For AC square in first one and 4AC square. So 5AB square plus AC square. Yes or no? And AB square plus AC square we already know. AB square and AC square from third. What it is? It is a BC square. So you have got here 4 BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 BC square. I think we have got it or not? Yes. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Ridhima, do you have any doubt?
No.
In this type of question, sometimes you need to do a rough work in your mind also. Okay, from where you are getting. Sometimes we need to add, sometimes we need to subtract, which triangle to take. Okay, I can shift here because there's from here you can copy, so that I think in less.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Yeah, only one line question is there.
Yes, ma'am. And the whole answer also once.
Complete solution.
Yes, ma'am. This is fine. I just wanted to take a screenshot.
Okay, if you're taking screenshot, then other part is on the back side. First take the screenshot of this and then I'll show you. Now take the screenshot of this. Shazan, any doubt?
Oh, no, ma'am.
Say some little bit similar type of question you are having this. Okay. In the given figure, you can do these two questions. Okay. This question is also important. Okay. This we will discuss in the next class. I'll discuss this question, example 7. You can do this question number 5 right now. Okay. In 2016, this question came. If you have any doubt on this question, ask me. Okay. And if you're able to prove, then it's good. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the solution?
I'm done. I'm done.
You have done it, Shazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can start with your assignment.
Okay, I'm gonna give 5 minutes. I'm coming.
What happened to you today?
Ma'am, I said I'm very tired. That is all.
Okay. Ridhima, any explanation you want?
No, ma'am. I just wanted to check. I will. Yes. Okay.
In both in the questions, the question that I explained you just now, na similar way, this is also done. Okay. You got two triangles with right angle. Okay. One is the bigger triangle PQR and one is the smaller triangle PQS. Okay. And QS, you can write it in the half QR form. Okay. Since PS is a median. PS is a median. No, in the given figure, PQR is a right angle triangle in which angle Q is 90 degree. QS is, but it is he mentioned here that is QS is equal to SR. Okay, so you can write QS is as half SR. Sorry, half RQ. Yeah, QR. Okay, so then you will get it, and then add the equation, subtract, and then you will get the answer. Then
Yes, ma'am.